Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern from Modern Salon TV. I'm here with Susanna DeSoto. We are in the Satin Smooth headquarters in, where are we? Stamford, Connecticut. Stamford, Connecticut. And they've recently launched this amazing tool called Hydrosonic, and it's very cool. And we've been talking about it. I said, Susanna, what are your 5 tips to an esthetician on getting the maximum, the best thing for your client in skincare? And, you know, what was number 1?
Well, the first thing is cleansing your skin. Clean skin is the first steps to healthy looking skin. And using Hydrosonic will allow your skin to be 14 times cleaner than manual cleansing alone. It'll allow the dirt, the grime, the grit to come off your skin gently. You're able to use it twice a day, so you can use it in your service area in the beginning of the service and then during the service. Or if you're going to take it at home, you can use it in the morning and as well as night.
Okay, so that's cleansing is number 1. So what I found very interesting is when you have a new client, you would cleanse her skin before analyzing it, which is tip number 2. Now, after the skin is cleansed, now you would analyze it. So tell us more about that. And again, now that one side of her face has been cleansed, what have you learned, or what can you see?
Well, cleansing the skin is number 1. 2 is analyzing and consulting with your client. You want to ensure that you are giving her the best care, him or her the best care. So analyzing the skin to see if they have any problems or problematic skin, rosacea, any redness to the skin, that will give you a good indication of what your next step should be.
Okay, so now we get into the actual equipment, which is, I just love, love, love this tool. And this is Hydrosonic, and it is magical. It is made for the professional, and tell us what is professional about it. And you can actually, show us while you're doing this.
Absolutely. So we're going to clean the other side of her skin. Her face. So we just, press the unit. It goes on very quickly. It'll be able to clean the skin. And what it's doing is removing any of the soil, makeup she has. It also starts to massage the skin, and anytime you massage the skin, you're creating stimulation. Stimulation, therefore, creates any stimulation to the collagen. So you are going to give benefits to the skin. You are also going to start removing, the oils, the dead skin, and allow the skin to start, getting more better condition.
And why does we hear this little buzz on and off? What is that all about?
Well, what's nice about the Hydrosonic, it has 6 different intervals. So it starts in the jowls and brings it up to the forehead. It has 14-second intervals. So you're cleansing the skin in 6 areas of the face, providing optimal cleansing for that particular area. So you're always going to ensure that clean area is going to be, the maximum cleansing. It also allows the technician to do on and off very easily in the front. It has a full cleansing brush. It doesn't have small little section in the center, so it's easy to turn on and turn off and also remove. It's very easy to clean. You can submerge it into a solution, autoclave, sanitize it the proper way, clip it right back on, and proceed with your service if you needed to.
And you were telling me that the weight and the shape of the Hydrosonic is really designed for the professional.
Absolutely. We have an ergonomical design that really is easy for small hands as well as large hands. Touch and go indicator, 6 intervals of cleansing, full brush cleansing power, and it makes the unit very unique and very different compared to what other items are in the market.
Now, I want to point out that her skin has very little makeup on it, and this was a brand new, pristine brush, and show what it got off
She
of this.
had very little makeup on, and you can see how much makeup did come off. But what we did, we got really good cleaning, good cleaning, and you can see her skin is very pink. It looks good. The appearance is, very clean, and she doesn't look that she's been irritated at all. Now we are going to go to the next service,
Which is step number 4. Tip number 4, you talk about products. And while we're doing this, talk about if your client has acne or rosacea.
Well, if our client had any acne, of course, I would not put the brush on areas that have pustules or open sores. You would go around those areas. And if someone is sensitive with rosacea or cuprous, we would kind of go on the, we would go on the gentle mode and go lightly on those areas. That's what makes Hydrosonic so unique, is that we have two different speeds, high and low, and you can really customize that service for your client and optimizing that cleansing power.
Okay, and so the products, I know we only have you for one more minute, the products that you use during the service are important, but the take-home products are as important. So tell us about that.
Absolutely. So you're going to ensure that your client leaves with some product on her skin. We are going to put some eye cream underneath her eyes. We're also going to put some day and night moisturizer. That's a 30% 30 SPF to ensure that she goes home safely. We do not want to have any ultra rays on her skin to have any damage. But maintenance on your client is very, very important. Every time a esthetician or skincare specialist does a facial, it's very important that you ensure you train your you teach your customers to take home product that you've just used. Use your skills, use your professionalism to give them the right products to take home. Satin Smooth has a range of skincare products, starting from an easy cleanse to a serum to take to use at night and or during the day to really optimize benefits for their skin.
Yeah, so to make the whole service last. So number 1 is cleansing. Number 2, analyzing or consultation. Number 3, make sure you have the right equipment. Number 4, the products that you use during the service. And number 5, the right take-home products.
That's right. That's exactly right.
That's so good.
Maggie.
This was great. So nice seeing you.
Thank you
I'll
so
talk
much.
to you. Bye.
Bye-bye.